Hey y'all, today is day 19 of our challenge, and before we pull a number for today, I want to have a quick pep talk to let you know that I see you out there, I hear you, even if we have not had any personal contact. Listen, if you're on this challenge with us, you are doing an amazing job, because any small step that you're taking, and especially if you're doing it consistently, whatever that consistency looks like for you, you are taking small steps that's gonna create a big change. It is coming. I know I'm hearing from a lot of you, feeling more at peace. You slept last night. A friend of mine, he cleaned out his storage unit, and he talked about how much at peace he was and money that he's saving by not having all of that stuff that he doesn't need in his storage unit. So, I mean, we are really doing the Lord's work right around here with getting things organized and cleaned up. So I just wanted to let you know, you're doing a great job. Keep up the work. I know sometimes it is not easy to clear things, especially when we have emotional attachments to them, or sometimes that scarcity mindset sets in and we think that we need to hold on to things. But we are clearing them and it's going well, very well. Okay, so I'm going to get to doing what I do best, which is shaking up this little here bag with the remaining numbers. We don't have many numbers left in there, remaining numbers in there. I'm gonna pull a number, and then whatever I pull, that's what we're gonna get rid of today. At least I am, and if you're doing it with me, then you're getting rid of the items too. So what is our number for today? 3, yes. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad to get 3. All right, so I'm gonna go grab 3 items. Hopefully this won't take me long, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back with my 3 items. I love when it's the small days, isn't it great? So the first thing I have are these Old Testament Hebrew vocabulary cards. I am finished with my days of Hebrew and Greek, hopefully, and I won't need those. I have these Spanish manuals. They're the same, so I'm counting them as 1. So that's 2 items, and then my final item is some old magazines that I need to get rid of. So those are gonna go to the recycle, because we recycle around here if we can, if that option is available to you. And that is it. Tomorrow is day 20, and then we can really start to count down and really count up our numbers and really see what we've done. So don't forget to start sending me the transformation pictures of your rooms so that I'll be able to post those at the end of our challenge. I'm gonna try to do a little slideshow. All right, until tomorrow, have a great day.